If you want to learn how to build a professional website less than 10 minutes, then this video is for you. I'll show you a step-by-step how to create a fully responsive, modern and professional website in just a few simple steps. For example, you can make this website, this one, or any of these based on your needs. And guess what? No coding experience needed. All you need to do is watch this video until the end, and I guarantee that you will be able to build your own website easily. So let's get started. These are the steps we have to go through. First, we have to buy a host. A host is basically a place where you can store your website, and it keeps all your content while making your website accessible to the world 24 hours a day. Then, we need to buy a domain name. But don't worry, I will show you how you can get your domain name for free with my solution. A domain name is basically your website's name. For example, yourwebsitename.com. It's the name that people must enter on the internet to visit your site. The third step is to install Wordpress. So what is Wordpress? Wordpress is actually a content management system that helps you create your website without needing any coding experience. This tool is a great one to make money and create a professional website. And that's it, let's begin. First, go to the link I put in the caption, because it will give you a bigger discount. I've been using Hostinger for about 4 years, and so far, it's the best one I've worked with, so I recommend it to you as well. As you can see, it has 3 different plans, but for now, we will choose premium or business based on your needs. We don't need this one because it's way too much for us and expensive. So let's see the difference between these two. In both you can make 100 websites, which is great. The first one has 100GB SSD storage and the other one has 200GB. Both have a free domain name, which is good for us. And we will be able to create our custom emails too, which is great. For now, I recommend going with the premium one, which I'm currently using. After you choose that, it will ask you how long you want to use their service. They offer 48 months for $3 each month, along with other options. I recommend you choosing between 12 months or 24 months. For example, if you choose 1 month, you won't get any discount. If you go for 1 month, you need to pay more than $12. But for example, if you go for 12 months, you only pay $36, which is much better. After you pay, it will open a page like this. It has several options, which I will show you. Here, it will show you the hosting you just bought. Here, we have our websites and domains. If you want to get your free domain, you can select domains and then add a new domain. But for now, we will use a temporary domain name. Now, first go to the websites, then website list. Here it will show you all the websites you have in the future. Simply click on add website and choose WordPress. Here you can choose your language if you like and enter email and password. Make sure to memorize the email and password or just copy them and paste it somewhere because we will need them later to log in into our website. Click on next. Here it will show you several templates that we can use, but we don't need any of them for now. Now click choose a theme instead and select Astra. Astra is one of the greatest templates and I've been using it for almost 7 years. Here deselect all the plugins and click next. Now you can choose the free domain name you got earlier and it will show your domain name here. But if you don't have it, we can use a temporary domain for now. And that's it. It's installing all the required things for us to be able to use WordPress. After installation is done, you will see a login page like this, or it will automatically log in into your website's dashboard. If you are on the login page, enter the email and password you provided earlier. Once you logged into your website, you will see the dashboard, where you can manage and change everything. Here it shows your domain name, and when you hover over it, you can visit your site. Here are other options, and on the right side, if you hover on your name, you can log out of the dashboard as well. For now, let's add a new theme to our website to make it professional. First, go to Appearance and choose Themes. Then make sure Astra is installed. If not, simply click Add New, search for Astra, Install it and activate it. Next, go to plugins and select add new plugin. So what is a plugin? Basically, each plugin provides different elements and options to help make your website more useful and more professional. For now, search for starter templates. Later, I will show you what other plugins do. This is the one we want. Click Install Now and activate it. Now again go to Appearance, but this time select Starter Templates. Now it asks us how we want to build our website. We want to use Elementor Page Builder, which is the best and easiest tool for making a website. Unfortunately, with this version of Astra, we cannot choose Elementor directly from here. But the trick I found is to choose AI Website Builder first, and then you can select Elementor from here. Now you can see many options and different categories to choose from for your website. Simply check them and find the best fit for your website. You can also use filters from here. For example, let's select real estate. Let's choose this one. You can choose any template you like. It doesn't really matter for the next steps I'm showing you. After you select a template, it will show you how it looks. You can change the font, color palette, and more. Click Continue and skip this part. Here it asks you several things. You can answer them or simply check the options to create your website. Now we need to wait a bit while it imports and installs all the necessary plugins and data to make our website look like the template we chose. And there you go, you built your first website using WordPress. Now let me show you how it looks and how you can change the content to match your needs. But first, let me show you how good this website is. It has several great pages for you. For example, in the contact page, users can fill out a form and reach you easily. Now let me show you how you can edit it. Let's say we want to change this text. Come here and choose Edit with Elementor. Close these pop-ups. When you hover over the element you want to edit, it will show you a pen icon in the top right corner. Click on that, and now you can see the text here. You can simply change it, for example, to Modern Design for You. To change the style, go to Style. Here you can change the text alignment, font size, or the text color. Then after you finished, you can simply click Publish. If you click the eye icon, you can preview the changes. Now let's say we want to change an image. Again, hover over the element you want to change and select the pen icon. You can replace the image from here. You can upload your own image here, or you can choose from the templates gallery. Now if we want to delete a section, hover over it and simply click the X button. To add a new section, click the plus button. There are several options here, but for now, I just want to show you the basics. This is the one we want. Select blocks, then choose a block that suits your needs. For example, let's choose this one. Click Import Block. And that's it. You've successfully created your first website using WordPress. This was a quick and easy way to understand the basics of WordPress and how to host your website. In my next videos, I'll show you how to design WordPress in a professional way and create website based on a UI and UX design. Thanks for watching and hit subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.